Today I am talking about Lemmer. I think the most beautiful city in New Zealand. I'll speak slowly so you can understand every sentence. Same time, this video will help you to improve your English. It's not Amsterdam. It is quiet, it is small. Many people say that this city shows the real life in New Zealand. Lemmer is located in the northeast part of New Zealand. This city has only 10,000 residents, but every summer, thousands of tourists visit this city. When you first arrive in Lemmer, the first thing which you see, it is water. There are canals everywhere. There are bridges connecting different parts of city. There are beautiful boats parking along the canals. Place was only a fishing village. People here live for fishing. Sometimes they spend several days on the water. As time passed, Lemmer became an important trading city. Canals helps connect different parts of country. For many families here, owning a boat is just as normal as to owning bikes. In sunny weekends, it becomes full of sailboats and tourists. Many visitors come only to relax near water. Life here is much slower than in Amsterdam. Many houses stand near canals. Children often learn how to sail in when they are very young. Walking through the streets feels like traveling back in time. The houses are small but beautiful. Many of them are more than 100 years old. Flowers decorate the windows. The canals reflect the colorful buildings. Everything looks peaceful. The street is very quiet. I can hear birds. There are many boats. Let's walk across the bridge. The buildings are not very tall. Most houses have only 2 or 3 floors. This makes the city feel like open and peaceful. Many of the houses were built more than 100 years ago. Some buildings are even older. The narrow houses stand close to each other along the canals. Many homes have large windows. In the past, large windows showed that the owner was successful and had nothing to hide. We will also notice colorful shutters and carefully decorated doors. Flowers are everywhere. People take great care of their homes. Many houses are built from red or dark brown bricks. Bricks is one of the most common building materials in the Netherlands. Wood is also used for doors. windows, frames, and small details. The roof are usually covered with tiles. Some roofs have a step shape to help rainwater flow away. Because it rains often in the Netherlands, houses are built to handle wet weather. The streets are narrow, but they're clean and well maintained. Most buildings stand very close to the water. Some even have their own small docks where people can park their boats. Walking through Lemmer feels like walking through an open-air museum. Every street has its own character. Every beach offers a different view. The city has managed to preserve its historic atmosphere while still being a comfortable place to live. People in the Netherlands believe that a house should be comfortable, strong, and full nature light. In Lemmer, architecture shows how people have loved to live with water for hundreds of years. It is a perfect example of how beauty, history, and practical design can work together. Next time we will visit another city in Netherlands that almost no tourists know about. Can you guess where? Write your answer in the comments.